Hey guys, Carmen Cipollone here with the Cipollone Group, showing you guys how to set up an open house. So I've already went around town and put out the open house signs. As you can see, the open house is going to start in about a half hour. So step one is to go over here and get the key from the lock keyed box. It is. So we get the keys. Come on over here. So when you're doing an open house, one of the biggest things is excitement. You gotta be excited. You gotta be friendly, not creepy, not going above and beyond your bounds. Just being friendly, letting the buyer look at what they want to look at, and when they have questions, you're there for them. So that's step one. And as you can see, we already have some of the things here from yesterday. Open house, there's my flyer. Here's Silvana's flyer. Silvana is the broker, listing broker on this. And then I also have some more literature for veterans and things like that. So next step, for me, will be to open up the rest of the house, turn the lights on, open up the doors, open up the windows, get some fresh air in here, get some music in here, something that brings energy, but not too much energy. You don't want Metallica blasting, obviously. You don't want Snoop Dogg snooping it up. You know, you want something just pretty cool, pretty exciting, and just to get you through and make sure that your time here is enjoyable. So when I'm in lag time or when people aren't here, one of the things that I do is I'll go and post on social media, post about the event, do something that is fun, something that will engage your sphere of influence and your friends. So I hope this helps. We'll be doing more of these, so let's get some people pre-qualified and get the Cipollone Group. If you need me, we're here. So take care. Bye.